So let's have a look at what running a quiz on Socrative looks like. You go to your dashboard or your launch page and click on quiz, and we're going to choose our latest import quiz. There's three options. Just remember the bottom one is best for in-class teaching and the top one is best for online learning. So we'll click on the top one. And we can see we've entered that quiz and it's set up a table so we can record the students' answers. We don't record them, the computer records them, of course. From your students' point of view, they need to head along to Socrative and go to the student section. They can just go to socrative.com and then navigate their way from there, or you might provide them a link. Chances are they'll probably just search it on the internet. There's even an app as well. So when the students log in, the first thing they're asked for is the room name. And our room name is at the top of the page. And it stays the same for the teacher. So no matter how many quizzes you run, your room name stays the same. So the student joins it. And now for this quiz, they're asked to enter their name. And once they've entered, you can see that they've appeared as a row on the quiz. It'd be good to have a second entry, so we'll just quickly enter another student on a second device. So this could be the students at their own homes from all around the world, or it could be within the class. So the students are all set to go and they can answer at their own pace. So I'll answer a few questions from both Bert and Ernie. Sometimes I'll get them wrong on purpose. And the students are given explanations about the answer and the computer marks it either right or wrong. With short answer questions, they have to make sure they spell as well as they can because they need to spell it correctly. Okay, we've done a few questions and we can see if we had more students, we'd obviously have more rows. We can roughly see what they've entered with the short answers and with the multi-choice, and it marks it whether they've got it correct or not. We can click into each question and find out what the range of answers was from the student, or we can see the student's progress and how many they've completed. At the end, it gives you the option of exporting the results as well. A few other settings you can play with, but essentially that is how you run the quiz on Socrative.